Delhi's Patiala House Court on Friday granted bail to Alt News co-founder Mohd Zubair in a case related to an alleged objectionable tweet case in which he was arrested by Delhi police last month. Additional Sessions Judge Devendra Kumar Jangla on Friday granted bail to Zubair and directed him to deposit a personal bail bond of Rs 50,000. He cannot leave the country without prior permission of the court, ASJ Devendra Kumar Jangla added. On Thursday, the court had kept the order reserved after the conclusion of the argument of both sides. Delhi Police Special Public Prosecutor Atul Srivastava, while opposing the bail plea of Mohd Zubair, submitted that the bail should not be granted at this stage, as there is a violation of Foreign Contribution Act. Investigation in the matter is at a good pace without any bias, he said.